So I've been here sorting cards for, I don't know, an hour and a half, 2 hours. I found this pack. It's kind of opened on the side, so we're gonna open it. It's got 3 promos and 2 packs of Silver Tempest. I don't want to bend these. It's a Zapdos promo. It's a holo. That's really nice. I love the birds. Any of the original Pokemon, I really love them. So, got a code card there. Anyone who wants it. Got Astral Radiance and Silver Tempest and 3 of the legendary birds. This thing is not focusing, is it? I really like these bird cards. They're holos. They were easy to get because they were in a 3-pack. So, definitely liking those. First, we'll save the Silver Tempest for next. I want to open up the Astral Radiance. Teeth rip? Anybody? Alright, what's the trick? Is it 3 or 2? I think it's 2 or 3. I think it's 3. Okay. Grant. Togetic. Bisharp. Yanma. Swinub. Naked. Petlil. Bergamite. Choi. And a Miss Meiji. Or no, it's a Mightyena. I was trying to read it. It's backwards for me. Oh, there's one more card. Grass Energy. Alright, we'll open the Silver Tempest and then we'll sleeve up those 3 bird cards. 2, 3. I think it's 3 to the front with Silver Tempest. Yeah. Donphan. Duosion. Ninetales. Sunkern. Oh, shit. Crap. Fanfi. Indeedee. Marini. Misdreavus. Jinx full art. I like that. That's a nice card. I like these full arts. I keep getting them. And a Talonflame. That's a normal rare. So you get 2 rares in a pack now, I guess. I mean, they keep changing the rules. I don't know. But thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next time. Leave a like, comment, subscribe. You know the drill. Come on. Next video, we're opening a Cyclizar EX box with 4 boosters in it. I'm not sure what's in there, but we're going to open that next time. So stay tuned and subscribe.